Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I start a 1941 Farmall A by hand. It has electric start, but the battery's dead, and I don't know, it usually starts pretty well, so it's not such a big deal. Haven't ran it in probably a week. It's not winter time. I use it to mow my field back here. Just kind of a really sweet old thing. Guess my grandfather bought this way back when. I'm trying to remember if he bought it new or not, but I'm sure it was near new back in 41 when he was farming. So here's how I do it. Everybody does it different, you know how it is. So down here you turn the gas on. So we'll open that up. It goes a couple turns and then stops. And here's your hand starter, but we'll turn it on. You want to make sure it's in neutral. Always rock that many times. Hi kitty, I do not know you. Just put this seat on, excited to get that a try. Here's the choke. So we'll pull the choke out. A couple of things to check here. You gotta check your fluids. So you got your, it says water on the cap, but you're on antifreeze these days, right? Or at least in the winter. Sediment bowl. Nothing in there, no water, no chunks. Oil level. This is low oil level. You'll back that out, you'll see oil comes out. This is high oil level, so you don't want to be over that, you don't want to be under that. And then this is the drain. This tractor specifically has, for some reason, drips a little bit of antifreeze into the oil, so every time you start it, you should drain it a couple drops out. So that's the things I check, and obviously it's time to start it. Throttle I like to have like halfway up, one notch past half, like so. So choke, neutral, that, gas is on. We'll grab the key here, we'll go plug it in. And then I always do it on the up here without a closed hand. Look at that, one pull, that's amazing. Okay, well, now we're going to do some mowing. So we're going to mow the field here. And Weirdo Cat is hanging out. And then we'll be back. We'll try to get a little footage as we're going.
that stick. Crunch. Crunch. Turning.
Let me do it.
Okay.
Okay, we did good. Let's shut her down. So, my method, turn the gas off while it's running. Let it run for a minute or so. I don't let it totally run out, but I'll let it run down a little bit. The new seat was great. I was pretty happy with that. Totally the wrong color, but it's comfortable. There we go. Another good day. Got the field looking good. Put a little time on the tractor. That was awesome. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the oil pressure gauges down here. So, keep the birds off my new seat. Flip that up. There we go. Just let that sit like that. We'll take the keys out so no one can take off in her. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the description. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for staying.